Hey, this is Joe with Jolie Farms. I'm in the tienda of Franco Organico, and he has a great farm over in Malacados. Sells a lot of organic produce here, a lot of goods that he and his wife produce. They have sourdough bread that they do. They do all kinds of stuff. And as you can see, he's got lots of items here. So this is where a lot of the community comes for organic produce. You can see here in his refrigerator, he's got sauerkraut that he makes. They make all kinds of great fermented products, and you can see in this room here they've got just tons of supplements, organic nutritional yeast, you name it. They've got organic mesquite powder, salt, there's wine, cereals. Now, some of this stuff he obviously doesn't make, but he makes a lot of the things that they provide here. Coconut oil is right there, and they have organic maple syrup in a large jar. That's what we always like. Olive oil. They carry pickles that I make, some salsas and things. They got a lot of great stuff in here. A lot of people love to shop here. So this is the outside of Franco's Tienda. There's Charlito's restaurant, and the church is straight up the hill, so it's about 2 blocks from the church. We're at the Vilcanito fruit shop, and where we sometimes buy vegetables. Cauliflower, usually $1 a head. Broccoli is usually $1 a head. Beautiful cherimoya or sugar apple. Mucho papas.
Sí, ¿cómo está?
¿Cómo está?
Bien,
¿Todo bien?
sí, bien.
¿Tomando es bien?
¿Cuántos
Para
cuestan
YouTube.
papas? 4 libras, $1.
Tomando para señoritas, necesito pelo. ¿Cuántos cuesta gingerbread?
$1 la libra.
$1 el libre?
Sí.
$1 a pound for ginger.
¿Más? 4 libras, $1 le dije. ¿$1?
Yep.
Véndame abriéndola ahí. Hay $1. Okay. Por acá.
How many pounds you get?
4 libras per pound for $1.
4 libras for $1 of potatoes. You see all these different types of potatoes they have here. That's pretty cheap. 4 pounds for $1. Nice carrots.
¿Cuántos cuesta esta zanahoria? 3 libras, $1. 3 libras.
3 liters for $1. 3 libras for $1. Basically 3 pounds for $1. The grapes typically come out of Peru or other places, not Ecuador. There's some nice little mangos right there. I like the green ones better. Nice little key limes. Tomatoes. Back there we got papaya. Wow, did you see these? Grande zucchini. Bananas, pears, apples. Lots of herbs and leafy greens. Peppers, plantain, lots of really good stuff. There's a good fruit stand. They've got nice watermelons up there. Okay, so this is our take from the fruit stand. And I'll just say, the fruit stand is not the most economical place in town to buy. You can do better at the farmers markets, etc. But we got 4 libras sweet potatoes, 3 libras of carrots, a couple of heads of broccoli, and they're smaller heads today. 4 avocados in here. All of that is about $5. And so that's what you can expect to get for $5. This is a lot of potatoes, and I don't know if you can see, but they're really big. And so that's, probably for most people, that's probably a week and a half's worth at least. So, and the carrots, like you can see, they're beautiful carrots. We do raise our own carrots, our own broccoli, and our own potatoes, and our own avocados. But in between seasons, sometimes we run out, And so we'll have to run in and buy these.